Hello and welcome to Promine AutoCAD tips and tricks. I'm Juan and today I'll be showing you how to create customized shape viewports on an AutoCAD layout. This feature is very handy when we want to have many viewports with a non-regular shape on a layout. This is based on the knowledge that AutoCAD only creates either rectangular or square viewports. So first we're gonna go to any of the AutoCAD layouts. As you can see, by default, any new layout will have only one viewport, one rectangular viewport. To be able to play around with the viewports, we'll need to go into Paper Space. We're already in Paper Space. We could be in Model. If I click there, I'm in Model, and if I click again, I'm in Paper Space. Once there, we'll, in this case, we want to have two viewports. So I'm gonna make this one smaller, and I'm just gonna copy and paste it to duplicate it, using the clipboard. Copy and clipboard paste. And there, now I have two viewports. I could have used also the command viewports, but in this case it's faster to just copy and paste. In this example, we'll have a rectangular shape viewport in the right bottom corner, so right here. And then the non-regular shape viewport that we want to create is an L shape viewport that will fill up the rest of my layout. So I'm gonna create first the rectangle that I want at the right bottom corner. There we go. And as you can see, this is the L shape that I was talking about, like all this. This is what we want to fill up with another viewport. Now that we have already this viewport here, we have to create the L-shaped viewport. For that, we can use any drawing AutoCAD command. In this case, as we're aiming to a shape with the straight edges, we'll use the command Polyline, but our shape could be literally any, so we could use commands like circle and polygon. But in this case, as I said, we'll use Polyline. And I'm just gonna draw my L. So here, 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 and I'm gonna close my polyline. Now to convert that polyline, as you can see here in the properties, is a 2D polyline. To convert that polyline into a viewport, what I'm gonna need to do is select my viewport, which is this one. I'm gonna right click on it and select the option here, Viewport Clip. Once I select that Viewport Clip, I'm gonna select my polyline, and as I can see now, my polyline is no longer a polyline and now it's a viewport. So I have the L shape viewport, and I also have my rectangle viewport at the right bottom corner. Now I could go to the model space, and I could, for example, have a plan view of those of these two mine drifts, and here I could have a 3D view of those two mine drifts. So that's all for today. If you have any questions about this topic or any suggestions for our next tips and tricks video, please leave a comment below. Thanks.